box, 3 sets. Super excited because we haven't really opened them for a lot of days. We waited until the acrylic box arrived because we're gonna put it in a rest house in Batangas. So in the Philippines, for those of you who are not familiar or not in the Philippines, only official Pop Mart distributor here in the Philippines is Fully Booked. Otherwise, it is sold above SRP. Without further ado, let's unbox. So first, we're gonna get this loose one. There's only 2 packages in. We started buying those
Hirono
and the Warmth collection last Saturday. And we find it cute and we really want to collect it all. I already got float. I just hope I get the loose fish. This is the float I'm talking about here. And I hope I get the loose fish because it looks like tempura. Oh, I got boiling frog. Okay. Oh. Here's what it looks like.
Super cute.
For the warmth, here's the collection. And so I hope I get Wandering or Recall the Past. Yeah. Scholar. I got The Day Off.
Woo!
Look at this. It's me when I'm day off in school. This is a very heavy box. So in Fully Booked, hot items like the Labubu macaroon and Have a Seat, they can only get 3 each person. So let's find a way to open this. I love teardrops on the pillow.
That's fine with me.
Let's not get a dupe, because I'm crying if I get a dupe. Yeah, ignore the loud sounds. Ooh. Wait, let me see. Oh yeah, I got teardrop bowl.
Dito, may something.
Look. Cute. Oh, there's a picture.
That's the one you like?
Yeah.
About.
Yeah, I wonder. Let's open the 3rd box. I got Sleepless. They're so tiny. That's why they're cute.
Ganyan na lang muna. Ganyan lang siya nagkasya.
Cleaning day. Big cleaning day. We got big cleaning day.
Nakakaiyak ba pag big cleaning day?
Of course. Look, it's Ate Jonah's bathroom. Ooh, look, it's a stylish pose.
Ang aarte ng baby na to. Maglilinis lang, naiiyak pa.
Especially when you have to do a big chore day.
Oy.
Who do we get? The Withering Flower. Okay. It's Left Behind.
Is it a secret?
No, it's not secret. Devastated. And there's bitten watermelon. I highlighted the hottest day of summer. It's really hot that I need to set the aircon to powerful. Here's another pack I'm gonna open, so stay tuned for part 2.